So change. So I'll be speaking in favor of wound repair and deferred cataract surgery. So what we should know, the core philosophy of primary wound repair is preservation of the globe, reduction in inflammation, and assessment of posterior segment surgery before posterior segment before cataract surgery. So advantages of deferred cataract surgery would be better visualization, and you can see the photograph beside in this. A primary wound repair and cataract surgery will not be a wise thing to do. Lesser inflammation in deferred cataract surgery. Anterior segment will be stable, more reliable biometry, and there are less chances of missed RD or any other damage to the eye, and better damage assessment in deferred cataract surgery, including zonular dialysis. So this is we will compare the combined wound repair and the cataract surgery versus a two-stage surgery. So surgical environment in favor of the two-stage surgery will be corneal clarity is better in deferred cataract surgery. Hyphema, if it is there during the primary repair, is resolved by the time we go for the deferred cataract surgery. AC is more stable, visualization will be better, and cataract, as we all know, that cataract surgery should be best done when the inflammation of the eye has settled down. Intraoperative risks in favor of the two-stage surgery will be lesser chances of capsular extension. Posterior capsular rupture is higher in simultaneous surgery. Vitreous loss is more common, and zonular dialysis extension can be better assessed in deferred cataract surgery. Expulsive hemorrhage and drop nucleus chances are less in deferred. In posterior segment assessment in favor of two-stage surgery will be better visualization of the retina if it is not a total cataract. Missed RD chances are less in deferred cataract surgery because it can be confirmed with B scan after wound repair, and combined VR planning is better in deferred surgery. IOL planning it's obvious that it will be better in deferred surgery. I'm skipping this. Post-op outcome in favor of two-stage surgery is less post-op inflammation, less chances of CME, secondary glaucoma, retinal detachment chances are less, final visual acuity is more predictable, and globe survival is better if we do it after initial thing. So balanced view, the simultaneous will be favored only if the lens matter is in AC, there is lens-induced glaucoma, phacoanaphylaxis, and intumescent lens causing AC collapse. So to summarize, immediate surgery is justified only when the lens pathology itself threatens the eye. Stage management reduces the surgical risk and improves refractive accuracy, lower complications, and provides a better visual outcome. So I think I'll skip this. So thank you so much.
We fully agree with Dr. Love. We agree with you that stage surgery is better in severe trauma, or otherwise also we plan it a stage surgery. First we repair, and then you have listed lot of advantages of